Hi friends, I'm Sinu Chanket Pereira from Sri Lanka. Welcome to my channel Hightech Solver. Today I am going to show you how to use the word software. So let's go to our video. So when you open Word, you see like this, and you can search templates. When you click these small templates, you can search online templates, and there's a welcome to Word document to the guide to work. And when you click open, here will be your saved documents, and when you click this account, your Microsoft account will be here. You can manage settings, and you can get the office background here. You can see some circles and stripes, and I can change it. So when I click circuit, you can see a circuit here, and you can change the office theme like colorful, dark gray, black and white, and I'm going to choose black. And when you click this feedback, you can give suggestions of this software. And when you click these options, there are a lot of options here. I'm not going to explain all of these because you can read and understand them one by one. And I'm going to select the blank document, and I will type here something. So I have type a sentence, and I can select highlight this and select the font I want. So there are a lot of fonts, and you can change the font size like this, and you can bold it and italic and underline. There are a few underlines here, and you can color the underline like this, and you can cut the word. And there are subscripts and superscripts here. These are essential for in science and maths, like science HO2 like water, and in maths temperatures Fahrenheit and Celsius. So you can add decorations here like outline, shadow, reflection, like that. So you can also enlarge the font size here like this, and you can select the sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each letter like that. And you can select the highlight color here. There are a lot of colors, like you have to select it and you can color it. And you can select the word, the letter color, like letter color like this, and you can add bullets here like this. When you finish a sentence and click enter, another bullet will automatically save. And you can add number patterns like here, and you can select a multi-level list, and you can select some of them and write a text. And there are a few alignments here. This is the left alignments and center. You have to select it and click this like the right alignment and paragraph like that. And you can select the line spacing option, and here the word spacing option like that. And you can sort the text like and you can fill theme color like this. And you can add borders, left border. When you click left border, you can see a line is here, so the border has been here. And there are some fonts here also, and you can find something or replace or select anything. And you can select here like books and paragraph and the large page, and you can zoom this page like this. And here you can see the words. There are 4 words here, and the language, you can select the language here, and the page number of pages. And also you can undo it and redo it, and you can save this by clicking this, and you can enter the name you want to save this file, and you can choose the location here and click save. So this is what we have to learn with this home tab. I will do separate videos about them. these tabs. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, give this video thumbs up, share to who's in need, and comment below. Bye till next time.